Hello, and welcome to the Maxville School District USD 351, home of the Mustangs. Our district is located in central Kansas on the western edge of Stafford County in the town of Maxville, which has a population of just over 500. Our town is located right off of Highway 50. A few things that make us unique, first off, is our small class sizes. We have a student to teacher ratio of 9:1. Being a small community, we are very close-knit, but we are also a diverse community. We are agriculture-based, and we instill those hardworking, accepting values in our students. In our elementary school, we offer preschool for both 3 and 4-year-olds. The 3-year-olds attend half a day, 1 day a week, and our 4-year-olds attend half a day, 5 days a week. We also offer kindergarten that is all day. Our elementary students participate in both PE and music every single day, and they can start participating in band starting in 5th grade. The students also attend art once a week, so they're able to participate in a lot of these opportunities. We also offer individualized learning for our students, where we focus on helping those students that are struggling, as well as pushing every student to achieve more. We also have various rec sports available to students to participate in after the school day. In our high school, we offer a variety of course opportunities, such as family and consumer science, business and computer classes, as well as agriculture, technology, and a few different foreign languages. In our district, our high school and our elementary school are connected, which provides a lot of mentor opportunities. We have a buddy program where our high school students are paired with the elementary school students to participate in various activities as well as just to be a mentor for them. We also have reading as well as other activities throughout the year that our elementary and high school students collaborate in. Our school has a lot of pride and we have friendly, experienced staff. The extracurricular activities that happen at our school help bring our community together and make everyone closer. Come visit us at Maxville and see why our community is so proud to be a Mustang. Listed below are links to our district website as well as our district Facebook page. Hope to see you soon.